The Wilson to South Park Scenic Stretch is a float that goes from Wilson Bridge to South Park Bridge. It's approximately 13 miles.
It's great for young families that have small children or people who are not looking for a super bumpy ride on Whitewater but want to see Jackson.
Something unique about the Wilson Stretch is how the Snake River actually breaks into several braided channels. And it kind of leaves this aspect of adventure where you can go one way one time and a different way another time. As far as scenery goes, you're obviously going to have some great intimate views of the river. You're up close and personal with that beautiful, majestic, powerful force.
We are surrounded by beautiful mountain ranges. You have the Tetons in the background, you have Snake River Range to your right, Gravant Range to your left. And you're floating through the beautiful valley of Jackson Hole, and it makes you really feel like you're a part of the valley and seeing it from a unique perspective.
I'd have to say my personal favorite part of the Wilson Stretch is as you're about 3/4 of the way down, there's this big eagle's nest that has been there for definitely over a decade. Bald eagles come back every year, and it's almost a guaranteed sighting of a bald eagle. It's a really beautiful thing.